my YouTube peoples. Guess what we're going to do this project here? We're going to do the front entry do-over. Yeah, we're going to paint this door. We're going to put around the paint protector edge. Okay. Those of y'all who want your entry done over from all that winter coming through back and forth through the door. Y'all look at this. I want y'all to see. Look. This is a mess. So we're going to clear this up. This is going to be part 1 of entry door do-over. How to do it. How to protect whatever you got to see. I got these beautiful wallpaper up here. So I'm going to paint this whole thing. Not the wallpapers, but around here and around the door. So what we're going to do, y'all, watch this. We're going to get this paint protector on. And remember, if y'all don't have this, y'all can use newspaper. So how you use the newspaper is not even newspaper. You have to go to the Dollar Tree. They have this stuff where that you can protect yourself. Protect your items from the paint going over it. So here we got it. We already got this going on. So we're going to take this. Let's just take it back up from the top, y'all. Because you want to get it as neat as possible. I think we're going to paint it like white. Nene doesn't know whatever other color she's going to do. But right now, it's going to be pure white around the wallpaper. Yeah, we're going to do a fresh paint of because this is from the winter. Okay, winter traveling back and forth. Look at this. We got to cover this because you don't want paint on this. And eventually, we're going to get a new door, too. But right now, if you can't get a new door, paint it until you can. I would like to have a door, Nene said, where that the glass comes like right from here to here. When you're like one of those beautiful fancy doors. So, what we're going to do is I'm going to show y'all. Now, we already taped around the door because we're going to paint this. And then she wants another color in here. She wants white here. She wants another color here. And I said, whatever color she puts here, I told her she have to match her wallpaper. She has these beautiful wallpaper. I want to show y'all how beautiful this wallpaper is. Look how beautiful the wallpaper is. So she got to match the wallpaper. Yeah, this is the door entry. And this is where everybody come through. We have a side door too. But people like live in here, like herself. She comes through the front door a lot. People come in, put their coat over here. These coats have to be put up for the winter. Now that we're in spring. So that's why I waited off to do this work because I figured that we're in spring now. So we can get this done. We can put up the coats. So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to trim all around here wherever it needs to be painted. People know how to trim this stuff. You put it down here like so. Remove the ladder because we're going to need the ladder in a few minutes, y'all. And don't forget to put the tape around your door, this part here, so it won't get messed up, y'all, with the paint. Exactly. So we're down here now. And what we're going to do is we're going to run up. Yeah, you can measure it if you want, or you can go by eyesight. Yeah, so what we're going to do now, we're going to put some of this blue paint protector so that we can protect the wallpaper. Exactly, from getting paint on it. So, cut it straight as possible. Go down in here. Can y'all see me? Hope y'all can see me. Put it as close as possible, y'all, to where y'all going to trim around with the paint. Y'all going to trim around with this paint, you know. So, put it as close as possible. You don't want it on your wallpaper. Oh, this wallpaper been up, y'all, for quite a while. But now we want to give it a fresh look. Yeah, we're going to give it a fresh look. So there you have it. So now you can paint down here at the borders. Paint down. I already shaved down here. I did some sanding already down here. See the sanding? Some of it came up, some of it didn't, y'all. Yeah, some of you, yeah, I'm going to go over it again. Yeah, I'm going to do it one more sanding down here. Yes, and then we're going to get it going. Okay, another thing I want to show you before we go off is getting the doorway entry prepared for painting. And we're going to have part 2 of this, everybody. Yes, we're going to have part 2. But this is how we're going to fix this right now. Yeah, we got to update it. You all right? We got to update this. Yeah. So, updating it, you need fresh paint. She said she wanted a different color paint here. So, let's see. Let me see if I can find where it starts at, y'all. Yeah, this is brand new, so you know you have to start. You have to find where it starts at. And once you start it, it should go around. But this is from the Dollar Tree. So, have patience with it. Yep, have patience with these paint roll trimmers. That's what it's called, paint roll trimmers. And this is from the Dollar Tree. So we got it. So to protect this glass, we already put some here already. See, we already put some there. But this one looks like it's falling down. But just replace it. And then if you don't have this, right? If you don't have the tape trimmer to keep the paint off of what you want it off of, which is this beautiful glass here. Yeah, take your time and go around with it. What did I do with the scissors?
On the floor.
Okay, so we gotta get our scissors back. Cut a little at a time because you're gonna go into a circle here. Yeah, and you want to get it right. Exactly. You definitely want to get it right. Don't worry about how neat it look or anything like that because you're going to protect this glass. And if this is not enough and you see paint dripping in this pot, you know what I mean? Get newspaper or something to cover it. That's right. Oh yeah, this is really sticking, y'all. So we're going to go around as what we can. And it's hard going around in circles, but we're going to do it, y'all, the best way we know how. There we go. All right. And if you get a little paint on your glass, scrape it off. Yeah, get a scraper. But this is to protect the glass. Well, I'm doing it like this because it's in an angle. So anything in an angle, you got to make sure you know what you're doing in an angle. Yeah. So this glass is going in an angle, as y'all can see. Yep. And you don't want to get it. You want to do it the best way you know how. So, all right. So we get it down to this point. Don't worry about how it looks. Remember, you just want this to protect the glass. You want to get it on as neat as you can and close as you can to where you don't want that paint to go at, y'all. Y'all understand what I'm saying? Yep. So you're going to get it around here. Yeah, this is really sticking, y'all. It's from the Dollar Tree. Yeah, you get it from the Dollar Tree. This kind of stuff here. So yeah, as you're going to see, I got it up around here so that it won't go. See? It's not about being neat or anything because it's going to cover the part y'all need to cover. Once y'all get up in this part here, just take it, go down as close as y'all can. Like these pieces here, just flatten them out, y'all. That's all you do. Flatten them. If y'all could do better than me, do better than me. But right now, I'm not even worrying about it because y'all going to see how beautiful this is going to come out. Yeah. You could measure it? Yeah, sure. Measure it. I'm just going by eyesight. And this is how you prepare to paint things around your entry where you come in at with this door. Well, right now, you know, Nene saying that she'd rather just paint the door than to purchase a new door. Right. But she eventually will purchase a new door. We priced some doors already, and we saw this beautiful door, and it had this beautiful glass frame from this point all the way down. And it had this beautiful embroidery on it. And the door was $500, y'all. Yes. They can run you quite a bit. Yes, they can. They can run you some money. We even seen a couple of them for like, if they weren't $500, we saw some that was, what was it? I think maybe about up to $1,000 to get these doors replaced. So right now we're just gonna fix this area up, so we can walk in. And of course these coats are gonna go away. Get down. Because guess what is upon us? Winter. And put away your winter shoes. So when we was coming home from work, all you do is you put your coat up here, you throw your shoes on the side over here on this mat, and that was it. Right. Yes, y'all know what I mean. But now we're going to, we really didn't need the ladder, y'all. So, yeah. So this is really strong tape there they gave us. Yeah, so cut it straight as you can, y'all. Yep, straight as you can. Well, you got to work with what you got. Now, I've seen better tape to this one. Yeah, I've seen better. Like the blue one I just showed y'all. That one is a little bit more manageable than this one. Yeah, so I'm going to fold this over so that it won't get so sticky on itself. See, it can get very sticky, y'all. Look at that. Yeah, just pull it apart if it gets very sticky. And what I wanted to do with this piece was I wanted to get this little corner in here. Yeah, and then you're going to have to, yeah, you're right. We're going to have to put it on here. You are exactly right. Yep, people who are thinking of where I want y'all to think, you're definitely going to have to put it on the hinge. You have to put tape on the hinge. But right now I can't do it because this door is constantly being open still. So the second part, when we get ready to actually paint this door, I will put this, either the blue or this on this. Yeah, cover your hinges. And you can go back to Home Depot, Lowe's, Walmart, any place you want to get your paint over here. Find certain paint for these hedges, for these things. Yeah, you see, these things were here for a very long time. Yeah, I wouldn't paint it white. No, you have to get this is metal, so you have to get something that goes on metal to make it look somewhat shiny. Okay, so y'all, I hope y'all like this idea. Well, this is the door draper from winter. So we're just coming out of winter, upstate New York. Boy, it's been a long winter, y'all. Yeah, we still got some dreariness going on here, but we hope to be pulling out. And then we're going to go outside and do our gardening. We're going to still do some work in here, y'all. So as you can see, this is our next project. We're going to try to finish up this walk-in that we use all winter long. That's right. So what we're going to do with this is people have to know how to make sure if you got wallpaper, put these trimmings around when you're painting, like especially up here. Don't worry about that. Just drape your floor. You can go to Home Depot, or you can go to
Sweet sugar plum pie. What a comfort